Hi, I'm Adam from Leicester, and you might recognise me from a certain sewing programme. I'm absolutely thrilled to be joining the family at Sewing Street as a guest designer. I got into sewing scrubs in the lockdown, which was really beneficial and helped me dust off my machine and lead to a lot more things. And I'm really excited to show you some of my recent makes and things that I've been up to with my sewing machine. I also love a bit of knitting as well. I really enjoy making stuff for my nephew, particularly knitting. I'm working on a raincoat for him at the moment. And yeah, I really like to bring in my nautical influence. You may know I've worked on ships. I love my nautical fabrics and colour palettes, the reds, whites and blues. So I like to bring that into my makes. The biggest tip I could recommend when it comes particularly to dressmaking is never to ignore your notches. Always match them up and making sure that you're being nice and accurate when you pin, because pinning is winning. Are we winning? I'm really looking forward to being part of the team at Sewing Street.